Ever wondered how to start an Instagram theme page and make it go viral? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create an engaging theme page from scratch, and we're doing it all with the help of ChatGPT. Let's dive in. What is a theme page and why ChatGPT? So, you might have seen theme pages around Instagram, featuring everything from travel inspo to motivational quotes and niche hobbies. They're super popular and can attract tons of followers fast. But what if I told you that with a tool like ChatGPT, creating content for a theme page is easier than ever? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, picking a niche, generating ideas, creating captions, and even planning out your posts, all with ChatGPT as our sidekick. Step 1. Choosing your niche. The first step in making a successful theme page is choosing a niche. This is where ChatGPT can be really helpful in brainstorming ideas. Let's say I want to create a theme page about healthy meal ideas. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for popular niche ideas that could attract followers interested in health, fitness, and wellness. Type into ChatGPT. Suggest popular Instagram niche ideas that appeal to health and wellness enthusiasts. ChatGPT response. Sure. Here are some popular niche ideas in the health and wellness space. Healthy recipes, meal prep ideas, fitness tips, mindfulness quotes, and plant-based nutrition. Once you have a few ideas, pick the one that excites you the most. This niche is something you'll be working with every day, so make sure it's something you enjoy. Step 2. Generating content ideas with ChatGPT. Now, let's generate some content ideas that will make your page stand out. I'll ask ChatGPT for specific post ideas related to our niche. Type into ChatGPT, generate content ideas for an Instagram page focused on healthy meal ideas. ChatGPT response. Here are some ideas for an Instagram theme page on healthy meals. 5. Quick breakfast recipes under 300 calories meal. Prep Sunday, how to plan your week's meals. Top 3 ingredients for boosting immunity. Healthy snacks for when you're on the go. How to make your favorite comfort foods healthier. These are perfect ideas. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm specific topics that are not only interesting, but also valuable to your followers. Step 3. Writing captions and hashtags. Good captions and the right hashtags make your posts more discoverable. Let's use ChatGPT to write a catchy caption and suggest some hashtags for our first post idea. 5 quick breakfast recipes under 300 calories. Type into ChatGPT. Write a catchy Instagram caption for a post about quick, healthy breakfast recipes under 300 calories. Include 5 popular hashtags. ChatGPT response. Start your day strong with these 5 easy, nutritious breakfast ideas. Each recipe is under 300 calories, perfect for a healthy boost. Healthy breakfast, morning fuel, nutrition tips, fit lifestyle, quick recipes. Just like that, ChatGPT has given us a caption and hashtags that are engaging and optimized for reach. You can even ask for multiple options to keep things fresh. Step 4. Designing your Instagram graphics. Now, let's create some eye-catching visuals. There are plenty of tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or even Instagram's own Stories feature that let you design graphics easily. But what's cool is that ChatGPT can help here too, by suggesting layout ideas or color schemes. Type into ChatGPT, suggest color schemes and layout ideas for an Instagram theme page on healthy recipes. ChatGPT response. Consider using soft greens, whites, and neutrals to convey a fresh and natural vibe. For layout, use a mix of text overlays on food images, with simple, clean designs that highlight the ingredients and finished dish. Try using a grid style to keep things cohesive. These tips give us a head start in creating a consistent look that matches our brand. If you're new to graphic design, start simple and focus on creating clean, easy-to-read layouts. Step 5. Planning your posting schedule. Posting consistently is crucial for growth on Instagram. I like to use a content planner like Later or Buffer, but you can also ask ChatGPT to help plan a weekly posting schedule. Type into ChatGPT. Create a weekly Instagram posting schedule for a theme page on healthy meals. ChatGPT response. Here's a sample weekly schedule. Monday, meal prep tips. Wednesday, healthy recipe spotlight. Friday, ingredient benefits. Sunday, weekly meal plan inspiration. Perfect. Having a schedule in place will help you stay consistent and give your followers a reason to keep coming back. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to building your own Instagram theme page using ChatGPT. We covered choosing a niche, generating content ideas, writing captions, designing posts, and planning your schedule. With ChatGPT as your assistant, you can focus on creativity while it handles the heavy lifting. Ready to start your theme page? Give ChatGPT a try, and let me know in the comments which niche you're going for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building your online presence.